Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to design a workout routine with AI help. So I will be on my ChatGPT website and make sure you will have logged in. And if I just give them command to I want to build a muscle with 4 gym sessions a week, I have access to dumbbell belts, barbell belts, and machines. So I will just give them command to ChatGPT and let's see the answer. So here is the muscle building plan for gym session a week. So this is my day one week exercise: upper body, push, chest, shoulder, and triceps. So in this way, you can just use this chat GPT for your work design routine for the daily activities. And if I just give them command to I want to lose weight at home with no equipment, and let's see. So here is my weight loss plan workout with in home with no equipment. So here is the 4 to 5 days session. You will just follow up like jumping jack 30 seconds. So it is your key tips. So in this way you can just use ChatGPT to design a workout routine with AI help. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.